Hey guys, let's see how to set up this Cinnado D1 2K camera. It's super simple. I have the camera ready here and I have my cell phone. You need this app for the setup. That's the Wansview Cloud. You can download this for Android or for iPhone. And I have it here ready. I just need to open it up and create an account and log in with my account. Okay, I already have mine here, so it's working. And I have the camera already we're ready to go. I'm just going to connect the cable here to power, and the camera is going to boot up and be ready for the setup. Okay, so when you connect the camera, just need to wait. The camera is going to do the movement, the pan movement in the horizontal, and also the tilt movement in the vertical, and you're gonna see that the camera is ready for the setup. Just wait for a while. You see that's moving right now, and there's also an LED here on the back that you need to observe to see if the camera is in the correct mode for the setup. And also I'm going to use this SD card here. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can record everything on the SD card, okay? So let's just start here. Where you see when the first time that I opened the app, I already get this screen here to add a new device. I just come here and tap add a new device, and I just need to look for the camera. It found the camera right here in the network, you see, via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I don't know how it finds the camera here, but basically found the camera. It's searching here, yeah, you see, for Bluetooth devices. So it's using Bluetooth basically. If it doesn't work, you just need to come here and look for your camera. See that I have battery cameras and different models here. I just need to look for the D1. So just keep going down until you find your camera and you select the camera. See that you have options for indoor cameras, outdoor cameras, and any different cameras, right? Just come here and look for, you see that I have the name here of the camera, right? Cinnado is the brand, then the name D1, and this is an indoor security camera. So if you want to look for the camera, just look for here indoor camera. And then you see D1 is just right here. So I select this one, and I'm gonna use the QR code for the setup. So I just click here, select, and I'm gonna take a look at the LED on the back of the camera. So here you see there's the LED, and it's flashing, right? Red and blue, just like the way it shows here in the instructions. And then I just select here and hit next. Okay, now I'm gonna insert the password for my Wi-Fi. In this case here, I'm using this Wi-Fi, and I have a temp password just for testing, so I can show it here. See that I just tap on remember the Wi-Fi password and hit next. And now it's time to read the QR code, so I just need to point the camera to read this QR code. So I just move this that way and point to read the QR code.
QR code scan is successful. Connecting to the Wi-Fi.
There we go. Now it's connected to the Wi-Fi.
Registering on the server.
Just need to wait. There we go. Now I need to just name the camera. Let's put here Cinnado. Cinnado, this is the D1, right? D1 2K. You can give it any name that you want. So Cinnado D1 2K camera, that's the name that I want. Hit OK. And it's working. See? Super simple. I just put the camera back there. You see better. Working right now. There we go. Just hit here. OK. And I can control the camera just from here for this console button. You see that I can control the camera back there. You see the camera moves. Takes a little bit to respond here on the screen, just a little bit of latency or delay, but it's basically working, right? Now it's time for the setup with the card, right? So you just need to come here and insert an SD card. So you can record everything into the SD card, or you can record also into the cloud. You see that there's the option here for cloud recording, cloud storage, and you see it. But at first you don't see any options here for the card, for the SD card recording or local recording. You need to insert the SD card here first, then you're gonna see the options. So I have this SD card here from Lexar. Again, I'm gonna leave the link here in the description because you need a good SD card to record here. So as long as you have the SD card, you can just turn off the camera. I'm just going to remove here from power. There we go. And here you can just move the lens up and you're gonna see the SD card slot. Okay? Then I'm gonna insert in the correct position here. That way, till you hear a click. You can move this down again. Turn on the camera and wait for it to boot up. Then you're gonna see the menu for the SD card. So just wait for a while. It takes like about 30 seconds to boot up. You're gonna see again the pan movement and then the tilt movement, and the camera is good to go. There we go. At first you don't see any LED here on the front of the camera. There's just an LED on the back of the camera, and also there's the movement that shows that the camera is working. See, looks up and down, and it's good to go, okay? I'll just put the camera back there again. And here, come to the main screen. Let me just refresh. You see, I still don't see anything here about the SD card. Still don't see it. Let me just move away and come back here to the settings. Not yet. Perhaps I just need to close the app and open it again. Yeah, let me just do this. Close the app. And then open it again. So I can log in with my Face ID. Let's come back here. And now you see memory card storage, right? So you just need to close it and open it again. So here I see the storage available and I can format my SD card. That's the good idea. That's a good idea. Just need to come here and format the SD card for the first time that I'm going to use the camera. And also see the LED here that the camera is on, right? So formatting complete, the camera is supposed to be working and start recording, right? You see here that scheduled to record into the SD card, memory card storage, schedule for 24/7, so it's going to record all the time, and you can create new schedules here if you want to. But at first it comes like this and works 24/7. Well, continuous recordings, if you want to enable to record continuously, just select it here. But it's a good idea to record only by motion, so you save space there on the card. So it comes already that way to record by motion, and just make sure that you have motion detection enabled here as well. You see it's enabled for the full area. You can just come here and select the area that you want and save, and also adjust the sensitivity level for the recording, and your camera starts recording and working, okay? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can set up your Cinnado D1 camera. Okay, this is the 2K model. It's an indoor security camera. I hope that helps. So just leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.